Valves for concrete conveying lines. DALCOM has developed a full range of equipment that simplifies and speeds up the setting up, pumping and cleaning of concrete conveying lines, with time savings of up to 80% and increased operator safety. Configuration, pump, gate valve, diverter valve. This solution is used when you want to pump on two separate lines, for example for the construction of a vertical building, where basement levels also have to be filled. The diverter valve makes it possible to quickly switch the flow from line A to line B and vice versa. At the end of vertical pumping, you can close the horizontal gate valve to block backflow. The cleaning line can be set up with the cleaning ball catcher in complete safety. Configuration, pump, diverter valve, gate valve. This configuration is recommended when pumping on a single vertical line. At the end of pumping, the gate valve blocks backflows. The diverter valve switches the flushing flow to the tank or to the cleaning ball catcher in just 6 seconds without having to remove the pipe.